Hello, Sam Brooks here, working on this Camaro. I got a new camera, so bear with me. I'm having to go through the learning process of adding a camera to my process. Okay everybody, Sam Brooks with Tool Hut here today. Today our project is a 2012 Camaro. The shop has put a used transmission in it, just to give you a picture of my setup here. I'm using the Fronius battery maintainer at 13.6 volts. Using the Bosch MasterTech VCI as my interface. And then we're using the computer. I'll switch you over to the computer so you can watch the screen so you don't get the glare. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to go to acducotds.com. You need to log in. Then you need to scroll down and accept their terms and continue. Go to Service Programming Systems and then access your subscriptions. You do need an active subscription to do this. A couple of Java prompts we're going to have to go through here. Remember, you can't have the latest Java to run GM. You have to have the version of Java that they work with, which changes all the time. So once the Java has loaded here, we're going to choose our device. I'm using the MasterTech VCI, like I said. We're going to choose replace the controller, and then we have to ID the vehicle. It's a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. I know I'm going to get questions on this. It is a used transmission control module, and it is a global architecture car, and I have had zero problem programming the used transmission controllers on the global cars. It should pull up the VIN at this point. We're going to hit next, and we're going to scroll down to the transmission control module. It is a separate controller. Now if this transmission controller was inside the engine control module, we would not be able to do this as a used module. The engine control module cannot be redone on a global architecture car. So we have to wait for it to load here. It's going to bring up our calibration numbers that are currently in the vehicle over on the right, and the calibration numbers on the left are the ones that we're putting in the vehicle. There's at least one number that we're changing, so we're going to go ahead and hit next. It's my understanding that it'll also program the VIN in the car at this point. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see some more programming videos.